Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the anti-cheat blocking game error. First, we will change a Windows security setting. Open the Start menu and search for Core Isolation. Open it and find the option called Kernel Mode Hardware Enforced Stack Protection. Turn this option off. If you don't see the option, the memory integrity is already off, and you can skip this step. After that, restart your computer so the changes can take effect. This step helps reduce system protection that may block the anti-cheat driver from loading. Next, we will repair the anti-cheat service. Go to your game installation folder, usually inside the Steam or Epic Games directory. Open the Easy Anti-Cheat folder or the anti-cheat folder included with your game. Find the setup file and right-click it, then choose Run as administrator. Click on the Repair Service or Install option and wait until the process is fully completed. This will fix corrupted or missing driver files. After that, you need to allow the game through your antivirus. Open Windows Security and go to the Virus and Threat Protection settings. Scroll down to Exclusions and select Add an Exclusion. Choose a folder and then select your main game directory. This prevents Windows Defender from blocking important anti-cheat files. Thanks for watching.